Good day, everyone. Welcome to our SolidWorks 2021 Innovation Day. I hope you're doing good. I know some of you is parokya na ng aming yearly event, but this time it's quite different this year. But I hope you're in good shape right now, kung nasaan ka man naroon. And I hope this event will give you more knowledge about SolidWorks. This webinar will last an hour, and if you guys have questions or any concerns regarding our discussions, you can write down on the chat box so we can accommodate it later. Excited na ba kayo? So kung excited na kayo, let's start. After 25 years, millions of passionate users, and here we are again presenting another powerful release of SolidWorks. Like the rest of 2020, this release is very different. More than ever, it has become clear that the future of design is collaboration. Now, you can see how powerful SolidWorks are and how many benefit you and our users. You will find great enhancement within SolidWorks 2021 while taking advantage of your preferred CAD system. By the way, I am Jason, and with Stephen, we will give you insights of some of the enhancement of SolidWorks 2021. The images showed earlier was a technology developed by Square Robot. This company is known for developing and building autonomous underwater vehicles, or AUV, specializing on non-destructive testing and inspection. This technology performs precise and reliable testing on safe environments, which lowers the need for human intervention, increase operational efficiency, and enhance safety while reducing costs. Founded in 2016, Square Robot chose SolidWorks as their design and management solutions. And this amazing robot will be our model for our Innovation Day to showcase the enhancement of SolidWorks 2021 all throughout. As we dissect this incredible assembly from Square Robot, we will showcase the groundbreaking enhancement of SolidWorks 2021. Again, we've added countless enhancements by expanding functionality that will simplify and speed up your workflows. And with popular demand, we have increased our focus on performance, reliability, and optimizing pre-existing workflows to work exactly as you always intended with them. We will show you many of our exciting SolidWorks 2021 enhancements one by one so you don't miss out on anything this release has to offer. We will be focusing on these three major topics: expanded functionality, performance in SolidWorks 2021 in action. Expanding SolidWorks capabilities always presents opportunities to approach your design challenges in new and powerful ways. SolidWorks 2021 delivers new tools that will streamline your workflows, improve your productivity, and deliver better performance and reliability. Let's start with expanded functionality. Assembly modeling delighters, we have better mate and pattern control, and Excel-based interference reports. Enhanced assembly simplification, faster open times of files, faster loading of lightweight models, and now we can save the feature versions as configurations with improved graphics performance. More flexibility for part design, we can redo on more than 60 features with SolidWorks 2021. Edge flanges on non-planar edges, equations in file properties, and ability to use the color picker anywhere. SolidWorks has been known to have intuitive and customizable user interface. However, by listening carefully to the users, the SolidWorks 2021 is packed with enhancements that make it easier to use and more customizable. We'll find an improved color picker that can refer to other applications such as a web browser, a command search within the custom dialog that makes it easy to customize toolbars, a customizable command manager that gives you more space to work, as well as semi-transparent dimensions, making it easy to select dimension. For the performance, all new performance-based enhancement in SolidWorks 2021, from new performance enhancement to assemblies and drawings, to more powerful simulations, will ensure you that more of your time at SolidWorks is focused on design. Detailing mode enhancement for performance, speed up your drawing creations with improved detailing mode, with even more editing abilities. Drawing performance, SolidWorks improves drawing performance for selection, panning, and zoom, regardless of how big the file is, that make your everyday work faster. Graphics performance, enhance scaling and silhouette edges, and use more of your GPU for faster frames. Assembly performance, faster file operations, configuration switching, and automatic lightweight mode, resolving all help with the most complex assemblies. Every year, SolidWorks focuses on enhancements, innovation, quality, and performance. This year, SolidWorks is devoting 58% of its resources focused on one thing: quality and performance. These are the areas that have always focused on SolidWorks, but this year, there has been a lot of effort to achieve some notable improvements. SolidWorks 2021 and the development cycles associated with it close more SPRs than any other SolidWorks. This has resulted in 25% increase in verified fixes since 2015. The graph shows how SolidWorks categorized the SPRs that we collected from our users based on 5 severity levels. SPR or Service Performance Request means the collected data of concerns and bugs from our users. It was just about fixing minor things. The focus was on the area and issue that really mattered to you. Over the last year, we've seen a reduction in open SPR. Our goal over the next releases is to get this down to less than 10%. This is our main objective to ensure you having most powerful and reliable design tool. Now that we have seen some of the highlights, let's take a look at SolidWorks 21 in action. We have many demos to show you, so sit back and relax. Each section presented here has many demonstrations, which highlighted many different software enhancements and improvements. Let's start with the user interface experience enhancement in SolidWorks 2021. Oftentimes, customizing your user interface is a balance between minimizing clutter and having the right tools accessible when you need them. With SolidWorks 2021, you no longer have to choose. Let's take a look on some of the enhancement of user interface. To complete this part, we need to cut and pattern this sketch. However, the sketch and part of the color are the same. Changing this color setting is always available. But in SolidWorks 2021, a column of color representatives is presented, making it easy to find the item you want to change. Let's use a green color to make the sketches more visible. Also new to SolidWorks 2021 is the Command Manager Collapse capability, which allows you to regain as much real estate on the screen as possible. Switching to the quick access tools in Command Manager further reduces excess icons and helps you focus on your design. All tools are still available using the tabs at the top of the screen, but a faster way to work is to use the ESC keyboard shortcut. However, it does not yet have the command pattern we need. No problem. Simply search for the command new to 2021, then drag and drop it on the shortcut bar. This is a convenient way to customize any area of SolidWorks user interface, including the heads-up display toolbar. Now that we have set up our shortcut bar, finishing our design is easy. Notice how small the mouse moved to create this cut using the sketch, and the pattern it around on the center hole. Mistakes are easy to correct using undo. Now the SolidWorks 2021 redo is more complete, allowing you to redo feature edits. This means that if you accidentally undo a feature, you won't have to spend extra time to recreating it. With SolidWorks 2021, You no longer have to find the perfect balance between the user interface and access to the tools you want. Just customize your workspace with new enhancements so you can focus on your design. SolidWorks 2021 introduces many enhancements to expand powerful capabilities when working on parts. Let's see what are those enhancements. Let's focus on the parts we want to work on and take a look at some sheet metal enhancement, 3MF support, and some new capabilities for weldment, and let's look at the other some enhancement along the way. When working with sheet metals, we have been able to create a side flange with curved edges like this on the right, but with limited curved edges derived from planar faces. Now, in SolidWorks 2021, edge flanges can be created on curved edges that come from non-planar faces, such as those in the bend area. The preview show how to create the edge flange all around the part. Familiar flange customization tools are available to help define edge flange, such as length, angle, flange length, dimensioning method, and flange position. This new edge flange looks great and is sure to provide more stiffness in the angle bracket. And of course, the edge of this side can be flattened, ready to be detailed or exported to DXF for fabrication. This edge flange is great for structural integrity, but also useful for enclosures and surveillance like this cover. The side flange on the side needs to protect the parts of this control unit. Full editing capabilities are available, so we can change the direction of the flange as well as the angle to wrap the inner parts to keep them safe. The new flange edge capability along the nonlinear edges extend the capability of the SolidWorks 2021 sheet metal for many applications such as adding stiff ribs and enclosures. This LED light assembly contains components of different colors and applied textures, transparency, and needs to be 3D printed. In SolidWorks 2021, support for exporting and importing 3MF files will be even better. Now, color, texture, and transparency are supported for export. This information is stored in 3MF file to be used for manufacturing or other applications. When opening a 3MF file in SolidWorks 2021, we now support many other displays. Per facet and per vertex coloring, as well as textures and transparency can now be displayed when importing 3MF files as graphic bodies. Additive manufacturing continues to rise in capability and popularity, and SolidWorks will continue to embrace this technology. When working in a weldment environment, it is common to use different sizes of weldment members. The horizontal pipes in this weldment frame are 2x2 square tubes, and the vertical pipes are 3x2 a rectangular tube. The trim extend weldment tool is used to cut the pipes to each other with different options for the corner type. The two ends of the trims dictate how the tube is trimmed to the other, and the trim meter changes the angle between two pipes, creating an equal trim meter angle. Because of these pipes have different profiles, the equal angle of the meter does not produce the desired result. In SolidWorks 2021, there is a new option for meter trims, the flush meter. It trims the pipes so that they meet the flush. Other vertical members are mirrored, so they update as well. This weldment needs to be painted, so let's edit the look and choose a color. We have different colors to choose from color palettes, or we can use the color spectrum to define a custom color. But oftentimes, we have to choose specific colors dictated by our customer. Let's take a look at the Square Robot webpage. Here we can learn all about their products and their initiatives, but we really like the color on the banner on this page. Now, with SolidWorks 2021, there is an option for easy selection of colors that are not on the palette. Just drag the dropper icon anywhere on the screen and the color under the dropper is applied to the selection. For vertical members of this weldment, we want to have different color. Let's select some of these bodies and drag the dropper to the color orange of the logo to apply it to the bodies. The new color picker works with any image displayed on the screen, including colors from popular paint vendors and color system website. Custom properties are a great way to store information about a document, such as description, date of creation, or material. It can be used automatically to fill title blocks, material, and PDM fees. Sometimes it is necessary to calculate a result to define a custom property. Now, in SolidWorks 2021, equations are supported on custom properties. Select equation as the property type, and you will have access to global variables, mathematical functions, and other properties. For this weldment, we want to define an estimated cost based on the global variable, which is an estimated finished cost, and multiply that by the mass of the parts. This gives a result of 428.6. Equations can be used to cut the cut list as well. This plate in the cut list is used 4 times, and we want to know the total length of all the plates together. Redefine the property name, select equation as the property type, and for this calculation, we want to multiply the number of plates by the length of the plate, resulting in total length of 20.52. Parts are the foundation for creating assemblies and drawings, including new curved flanges, enhanced 3MF support, new weldment trims, custom color selection tools, equations, custom properties, and cut lists. SolidWorks continuously enhance its capability when working on parts.
On the past years, the performance of large assemblies has greatly improved, and SolidWorks don't stop enhancing and innovating each year. There are two assembly demos you're about to see, productivity enhancers and graphics performance gains that I'll show you side by side. As you spend time creating and working within your assembly, designs in SolidWorks 2021, you will find more streamlined tools to help you assemble, pattern, and analyze your assemblies. Now, while meeting in SolidWorks 2021, you will find a new streamlined property manager. Instead of expanding sections for each group type, there are now tabs for each group, making it easier to find the correct mate. Looking at the previously created mate, switching alignment presents the question as to how to handle the other components and mates impacted by this change. Choosing no oftentimes means overdefining other mates to solve for the new alignment, which creates more work to fix. Choosing yes would have avoided this issue by instead flipping the other affected mates, making this task a simple fix. In SolidWorks 2021, there is a new system option under Assemblies to choose how to always select one of these choices or retain the prompt. Choosing always by default will flip the alignment of other mates affected in this scenario. This saves time and confusion and ensures you always get the results you desire. When creating mates to slots in SolidWorks 2021, you can now choose the default type of position. In this example, center of slot has been selected as the default choice. Likewise, there is now the option to lock the rotation of slot mates similar to concentric mates. The default slot mate location is a new document setting found under mates. This eliminates the need to regularly change the location type when adding new slot mates to your designs, saving you a little bit of extra time and accidentally choosing the wrong constraint. SolidWorks has always offered the flexibility to change the configuration of each component instance within a pattern. However, Sometimes you must just want all of the components to reference on the original instance. This can be time-consuming to do one at a time. New in SOLIDWORKS 2021 is a new option to synchronize the configurations of all component instances created by the pattern. This new option also helps from changing the configuration of any of these components from the quick menu dropdown and by locking this option within the component properties dialog. This ensures that as you make any configurations changes to the seed components of the pattern, those changes will be properly propagated. And finally, interference detection is a powerful tool to quickly find issues within your design. SOLIDWORKS 2021 now offers the options to save these interferences out in a spreadsheet. You even have the choice to capture a screenshot of each interference so that they can be shared and reviewed with others inside of your organization. This offers a new collaborative way to review interferences in a design and determine if they are intentional due to fit conditions, and determine if to collaborate with others what changes should be made to solve the interferences. SOLIDWORKS 2021 offers new tools like this to help you design more efficiently by streamlining and adding value to your common workflows. You demand the best performing tools so you can work as efficient as possible. SOLIDWORKS 2021 delivers multiple new enhancements to access your data faster and work more efficiently. Open times for both Resolve and lightweight assemblies have been improved in SOLIDWORKS 2021. This 2,259 component assembly opens in only 21 seconds, making getting into your design faster than ever. The larger the assembly, the greater gains you will see while opening them in lightweight mode. To improve working with lightweight components, there is now also a more streamlined approach to accessing their assembly and feature information. Simply expanding a component from the Feature Manager tree will now dynamically load those components on demand, giving you access to the fully resolved sub-assembly or part. This prevents unnecessary loading of large assemblies, but also allows you to quickly access and resolve the components you're working on as needed. Working with configurations in SOLIDWORKS 2021 is now also faster. Switching between and creating new configurations are now significantly faster for assemblies. The performance evaluation tool within SOLIDWORKS has always been an invaluable resource to give insight into areas of the design that may cause performance degradation. New for SOLIDWORKS 2021 is the analysis and reporting of circular references within an assembly. In this case, two holes on two separate parts have been found to reference one another. You can use this information to further investigate the design and determine how they are referencing one another to fix these issues. In this scenario, one of the components listed in the report contains a hole wizard feature, where its location sketch has center points that are referencing the edge of a hole in the adjacent part to locate them concentrically. This is a common top-down design practice to ensure that holes always remain aligned to one another. However, investigation of the second component feature, also a hole wizard, it appears that the center points within its sketch are likewise referencing the edges of the previously interrogated holes. This creates a circumstance where both features are trying to define the location of each other, or a circular reference. To fix this scenario, the best course of action would be to remove the external references and redefine the location of the hole centers in one of the sketches. In this case, dimensionally. to the part they reside within. Once the changes have been made, a quick rebuild removes any warning from the assembly. Finally, you can use Silhouette the feature introduced in SolidWorks 2019 on assembly to create a simplified representation of it or to protect proprietary information. Silhouette the feature provides an intuitive step-by-step workflow to define the simplified version using a variety of geometry simplification tools. While you are selecting the components, bodies, or sub-assemblies you want to simplify, you will always have a side-by-side view to show what your finished representation will look like. This ensures that you can capture the correct amount of detail. The methods you can use to simplify your geometry range from something as simple as a bounding box or cylindrical representation of the components, or something a little more complex like the polygon or tight fit methods, which add a little bit more detail to final results. Perhaps some of the components in your subassembly are critical to show in a top-level design, even within a simplified representation. For those instances, you can choose the copy geometry method to capture all of the detail of the components, bodies, or subassemblies. What's new for Silhouette the feature in SolidWorks 2021 is the ability to save the simplified representation as a configuration within the same assembly from each what is created. This eliminates the need to manage a separate file that contains the simplified model. You may still want to use those other methods when using Silhouette the feature to remove proprietary information from a design to share outside of your organization as a separate disconnected file. However, when using the featured models within higher level assemblies, it's now as simple as right-clicking on the component and choosing to use the defeatured version. Defeatured assemblies as configurations provide a way to both simplify complex assemblies visually and also add a performance boost in cases where all of the detail of the individual components is not necessary. With these new performance-oriented features in SolidWorks 2021, you will be able to work faster and more efficiently with larger or more complex assemblies. Graphics performance introduced in SolidWorks 2019 fundamentally changed how graphics are handled by SolidWorks and your certified graphics card, providing significantly higher frame rates and much smoother response when interacting with larger assemblies. This system option found under performance settings is now enabled by default in SolidWorks 2021. To see the difference, we will compare this setting enabled and disabled side by side, running a macro that performs 500 mouse rotations for consistency. It's clear that graphics performance is significantly faster, but the numbers tell the real story. These actions only took 7.94 seconds and ran an average of 63 frames per second with graphics performance enabled. Meanwhile, with these settings disabled, these actions only took 161.72 seconds at an average of 3 frames per second. If you haven't enabled graphics card performance yet in SolidWorks, you are sure to notice immediate gains when using certified graphics card. And new for SolidWorks 2021 are two new enhancements that make graphics performance even faster. The first is when working in hidden lines removed and hidden lines visible. Calculating silhouette edges is a complex task graphically that was previously handled by the CPU. New in SolidWorks 2021, all of these calculations are now handled by your graphics card. In the case of assembly from Square Robot, there are a lot of silhouette edges to calculate across the model. And like before, the difference is clearly apparent. With GPU silhouette edges, the macro ran in only 4.71 seconds at an average of 107 frames per second. While with this disabled, It took 170.65 seconds and only averaged 4 frames per second. The second new enhancement is the addition of occlusion culling technology to graphics performance. Occlusion culling is when it's determined that a model is out of view and doesn't need to be rendered. With the special development build, the occlusion culling has been paused as this model is rotated. You can see that several of the components that were previously out of view were never rendered by the graphics card. Occlusion culling has a much more significant impact on performance. The more complex components are asked to be rendered by the graphics card. So in this assembly, the gains may be marginal, but in much larger assemblies, the gains are much more impactful. Graphics performance in SolidWorks 2021 continues to take advantage of your investment into your certified graphics card, delivering a much smoother and faster experience when working with complex and large assemblies. With a lot to love about assemblies in SolidWorks 2021, there's no way I'm not going to upgrade. Along the same themes as assemblies, let's turn now to drawings, which also I have some great performance gains to highlight, as well as showing off all you can do in detailing mode. When working with large assembly drawings, view manipulation is vital to a good user experience. And over the years, SolidWorks has worked hard to optimize view manipulations on screen. Detailing mode was introduced in SolidWorks 2020 to allow users to open massive drawings in seconds. For SolidWorks 2021, the enhanced graphic performance option has been extended to the drawing environment. On the left, we have SolidWorks 2020, and on the right, it's 2021. In this side-by-side comparison, the same 5-sheet drawing is opened. Let's start with panning the drawing in the document window. Notice that SolidWorks 2020 on the left does a good job, but you can see that there is some latency as the drawing does not precisely follow the mouse. The same panning action in SolidWorks 2021 on the right. It's dramatically faster and keeping up with the mouse, providing a much better experience. Zooming in and out is just as dramatic, and panning while zoom in is lightning fast. For comparison, we will repeat the process in SolidWorks 2020. Again, notice the latency, which can sometimes be confusing, as you can overshoot your zoom magnification due to the delay. Panning is better while zoom in, but not as fast and precise as SolidWorks 2021. Scroll bar pans show a similar graphics performance gain in SolidWorks 2021. The second sheet of this drawing contains even more views of this 2,300 part assembly, and the performance difference is even more pronounced. For years, the SolidWorks development team has been working diligently to provide code and partner with hardware vendors to continue to raise the bar for performance. With the enhanced graphic performance option paired with the modern OpenGL 4.5 graphics card, SolidWorks 2021 is surely a validation of the hard work. Introduced in SolidWorks 2020, detailing mode provides a way to open massive drawings in seconds. But it's not limited to just viewing the drawing. Viewing performance is super fast, thanks to the performance improvements added in SolidWorks 2021. Detailing mode allows you to perform typical detailing tasks, such as editing and adding dimensions and annotations. The model does not get loaded, so sharing drawings files is easy. But rest assured, the drawing views are intact and there is no loss of detail. For SolidWorks 2021, detailing mode now supports editing for existing annotations such as notes and dimensions. Existing notes can be edited to add or remove information, and you have full access to all of the annotation editing tools. The front view on this drawing is displayed as a broken view with foreshortened dimensions. Excuse me. To allow more concise display of the information, but the top view is not broken. Now detailing mode supports broken views, crop views, and even detailing views. Similar to the front view, let's break the top view in 3 places. All of the break line styles are available, as well as the gap between the breaks. Ordinate dimensions are supported, and we can now add additional items to existing ordinate dimensions, such as these edges and center lines. Detailed views can now be created in the same manner as you would when drawing is fully restored. Just draw the detail circle or choose a sketch profile and place the view. When detailing drawings, it's common to define whole information, and now in SolidWorks 2021, detailing mode supports whole callouts and foreshortened dimensions are applied when necessary. Existing dimensions now have full editing capability. For instance, the tolerance on the dimension between the hole is important for the function of the part. All of the dimension properties are now available, including its tolerance and precision. The location of the first hole is not properly defined to the center of the hole. All of the controls on every tab of the Dimension Property Manager are available, so we can define the arc condition of the dimension to the center of the hole. So as you can see, these enhancements in SolidWorks 2021 extends the capability of detailing mode to fully detail your drawings in record time, without having to load full drawings containing large assemblies, lots of sheets, many configurations, or resource-intensive views. But the enhancements to the drawing environment do not stop there. Regardless of how you open a drawing, the Dimension tool has been enhanced to make it easier to create dimensions. Notice that the dimension text is transparent after the first selection, making it much easier to see the second selection. VDA balloons are frequently used in the German automotive industry and a requirement for the European customers. A new leader type is now available for balloons and notes to allow users to tag inspection points per VDA requirements. Position and rotation are easily manipulated, and these VDA balloons can be used directly by SolidWorks inspection. Finally, when working with sketch geometry on a drawing, it is common to add relations just as you would in sketch environment. Previously, these relations were in the Property Manager, but now in SolidWorks 2021, the Sketch Relations pop-up toolbar is available, allowing you to apply sketch relations with minimal mouse travel. For years, the SolidWorks development team has been working diligently to write code and partner with hardware vendors to continue to raise the bar for performance with the enhanced graphics performance options paired with the modern OpenGL 4.5 graphics card. SolidWorks 2021 is surely a validation of the hard work. So as you can see, these enhancements in SolidWorks 2021 extends the capability of detailing mode to fully detail your drawings in record time, without having to load full drawings containing large assemblies, lots of sheets, many configurations, or resource-intensive views. Improvements in the drawing environment are always among the most popular enhancements with the SolidWorks user base. And with SolidWorks 2021, the tradition continues. Wherever you spend your day, whether it's parts, assemblies, or drawings, we hope you saw some compelling enhancements that get you excited to upgrade. As a reminder, SolidWorks 2021 Service Pack 0 is already available for download. You can contact us for support upon upgrading to the latest version. SolidWorks is the heart of 3D Experience Works. And the 3D Experience Works is your entry to the Dassault Systems cloud-based platform. Each of these tools are designed for you to streamline collaboration, data management, simulation, design, and even extend into further domains like manufacturing, governance, sales, and marketing.